Today we will see egg biryani. For that the vessel is hot. I am using 2 tablespoons of ghee. The ghee is hot. I am adding the bay leaves and star, cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, and half a teaspoon fennel seed, half a teaspoon cumin seed. For the egg biryani, onions and 10 numbers and 1 green chili and 50 gram ginger, 50 gram garlic, little bunch of coriander leaves, bunch of mint leaves. I am going to grind it. 3 medium size onions sliced, the onion fried. I am adding the ginger garlic paste, mint leaves and coriander leaves which I showed you earlier. Everything made it as a paste. Ginger garlic smell is gone. I am adding 7 green chili and 3 tomatoes. I'll cover and keep. Let it cook 3 to 5 minutes. 1 teaspoon chili powder I am adding. Already green chili added, so I am reducing the amount. Garam masala powder 1 teaspoon. Salt 1 teaspoon. 50 gram of yogurt I am adding in this stage. The masala is mixed well. I have taken in this glass 5 glass of rice. I have already washed and soaked in the water. The same glass 1 glass of coconut milk I am adding. The balance 7 glass of hot water I am adding in this. Let the water boil. See, it's getting boiled. In this stage, little more coriander and mint leaves you can add, and we will check the salt and spices. Little spices needed. I will add 1 more teaspoon chili powder. Salt also little less, so I am adding 1 more teaspoon. So we will check one more time. Spices. It's almost everything mixed well. Yes, it is perfect now. In this stage we can add the rice which I already washed and soaked in the water for 30 minutes. I am going to add in this stage. Gently you can add the rice, soaked rice. Rice is added. After adding the rice, once again you can check. In this stage, if you want salt or spices, in this stage you can add additional. I am adding the lemon juice. Once again mix it gently. We are going to cover and keep till the water is settled. The water is settled now. So what we can do, this stage we can keep the frying pan underneath, and we will keep it under sim for 15 minutes. On top 1 teaspoon of ghee again I am adding, so that it will not be sticky. So all the rice will be in a single thing we will get. Under dum you can keep aluminium foil. Stove should be under sim. Cover with aluminium foil. Then after 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes, we can open and see. Let's open and see. 10 minutes over now. It is very good. Nicely it came. No water. It's cooked well. Coriander leaves you can add. For the egg biryani, you can add the egg on top. This egg you can fry and add. Otherwise you can add same like this.